Hello guys, this is the newest version of Terraria. If you want to play it but don't know how, look under the video. And a small request, can you please like and subscribe to my channel? I'm a beginner YouTuber, and if we get 1,000 likes, I'll make a similar video about Minecraft. Now, a little about the game itself. Slay insane bosses. From Eye of Cthulhu to the Moon Lord, it's a whole glow-up journey. Build insane bases. Your creativity's the only limit, no cap. Loot, craft, upgrade, from wooden sword to god-tier gear, the grind's worth it. Explore crazy biomes, underground jungles, hell itself, even floating islands? Sheesh! Play solo or drip with the squad. Either way, it's a banger. Terraria's not just a game, it's a lifestyle.